I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi, Alex here with Intuitive Code. Today I'm going to explain the company ecosystem. For you to comprehend the different plans, the different apps, you are going to see that everything it is very simple to understand, and the objective is to help you to make the decision, and also to explain how you can save 99.9999% if you stay until the very end, based on a special pricing that I announced 1 year ago. And if you accepted the challenge, congratulations. Having said this, I'm going to click here on a button, utilizing a world-leading collaborative platform used by Fortune 500 companies, including ourselves. By clicking here, we get started. The very first step is to create a free account in the Autonomous app, which is the backbone. Therefore, anything else that you wish to do, including enrolling in courses or installing other apps or anything, or purchasing plans, you have to go through the Autonomous app. If you wish to learn more about this app, you just have to open the corresponding card. On the left-hand side, you have a list of users' tasks, including what is ahead. Moving forward, we then have the premium series, which is the most common among small investors, divided into standard and the bundle. The bundle itself is then divided into different components, and you have here a list of the components as well as what is included. So bear in mind, for example, the bundle as of today, it includes the new premium app as well as the Intuitive Code app. They are very different, and if you wish to learn more, you have, for example, a whiteboard collaborative one just for the premium app, explaining in detail how to install the app and how to utilize it. The standard version, you have to open the corresponding card to learn about what is included, as well as to access to the information. Bear in mind that we are always updating and making modifications with the objective of improving the different plans, and therefore this board by itself can change. It is dynamic, and it is available in the Autonomous app as well as in the help center. Having said this, we move forward to the Elite series, which is what normally we call the AI trading plans, divided into predefined plans where the algorithm chooses your own portfolio or the assets, versus custom plans where you choose your own stocks depending on your budget. We call it here the Algo plan. And obviously this series implies the installation of the new AI trading app. If you wish to learn more about this app, you just have to open the corresponding card and to go through these demos and tutorials. It is only available for iOS, iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. And finally, we have the Ultimate Series, which is the one that represents, in my personal opinion, by far the best value, as I referred to it 1 year ago, by introducing a special pricing plan where users they could get everything for $99 lifetime. Bear in mind that this special pricing plan, it is fully described in detail on the website of the company. As of today, this pricing might have changed since the pricing is dynamic depending on the number of users. Moreover, if by expiration date, which I believe to be around September 2021, if the total number of users, it does not reach the limit, you will always get an item of value by far higher compared to the price that you paid for the special pricing. So the very minimum that you paid, obviously it was $99. In 2020, we decided, for the sake of simplicity and to help everyone, to create precisely the same, extending it to the trading app. Okay. However, once again, if the total number of users it is not reachable, and I believe that is around 50,000, you will not get the trading app. You will get a different item according to what you have fully described on the website of the company. If you do not wish to wait for these plans or this special pricing, you have obviously, as everyone is using, the corresponding series by purchasing the premium series or the elite series. Okay, so everything you have fully available in the autonomous app. I appreciate your feedback. As you could see, it is remarkably simple to comprehend the different apps and the different plans. Utilizing this collaborative whiteboard, once again, I remind you, it is available in the autonomous app as well as in the help center.